Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Podcast with Lily channel. Today, I will tell you about my weekend routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Are you ready? Let's begin. On Saturday morning, I wake up at 8 o'clock. I feel happy because it is the weekend. I stretch my body and smile. Then I make my bed. I like to keep my room clean and beautiful. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Then I brush my long hair. I enjoy my peaceful morning. Next, I make breakfast. I prepare toast, eggs, and a cup of tea. Sometimes I add fresh fruit. I sit near the window and enjoy my meal. The morning sunlight makes me feel relaxed. After breakfast, I clean my apartment. I sweep the floor. I dust the shelves. I water my plants. I love a clean and comfortable home. Later, I go shopping. I walk to the supermarket. I buy vegetables, fruit, milk, and bread. Sometimes I buy snacks for the weekend. Shopping is easy and enjoyable. When I arrive home, I put everything away. In the afternoon, I enjoy my free time. Sometimes I meet my friends. We go to a lovely cafe. We drink coffee together. We talk about our week. We share stories and laugh. Spending time with friends makes me happy. Sometimes we visit the park. We walk slowly under the trees. We enjoy the fresh air. The weather is often beautiful. In the evening, I cook dinner. I usually make rice, chicken, and vegetables. Sometimes I try a new recipe. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. After dinner, I relax. I watch a movie or a television series. Sometimes I read a book. I enjoy quiet evenings at home. I go to bed feeling calm and comfortable. On Sunday morning, I wake up early. I put on comfortable clothes. Then I go for a walk. I enjoy the fresh morning air. I listen to birds singing. The peaceful atmosphere makes me feel happy. When I return home, I make a cup of tea. I sit by the window. I read a good book. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Music helps me relax. At noon, I have lunch with my family. We sit together around the table. We enjoy delicious food. We talk and laugh together. Family time is very special to me. In the afternoon, I prepare for the new week. I wash my clothes. I fold them neatly. I organize my room. I check my work bag. I write a small to-do list for Monday. Being organized helps me feel ready. On Sunday evening, I take a warm shower. I put on my comfortable pajamas. I spend a little time reading. At 10 o'clock, I turn off the light. I close my eyes. I think about the wonderful weekend. Then I go to sleep with a smile. This is my weekend routine. What about you? What do you usually do on the weekend? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.